Hi, this is Empty English. Let's study English together. Okay? Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. Dear Jasmine, this is a picture of me with my four friends. All my friends are great. Polly is my best friend. She has got blue eyes. She has got long brown hair. She has got long brown hair. Toby is Polly's brother. He has got short hair. It's blonde too. Toby is tall. Peter is Polly's cousin. He has got curly brown hair. His eyes are green. Isabel is a good friend too. She has got straight black hair. Her eyes are brown. I am in the picture too. I am short and I've got long brown hair. My eyes are blue. Can you see me? Tell me about your friends. From Empty English, Josephine. Bye for now and see you next time.